Yes, hello, welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. Once again, thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for learning with me. And today, I want us to share something amazing also, that is how to use Google Drive. Do you want to store your files safely, access them anywhere, and actually share documents easily? Today, I'll show you how to use Google Drive step by step. Even if you're a complete beginner, let's get started. Yes, so what is actually Google Drive? Google Drive is basically it's a free cloud service from Google. All you need to have is a Gmail account or a Google email, and then you're good to go. Of course, they give you free 15 GB storage. It works on your phone, a computer, and you can easily back up files from your PC are also in the cloud. All right, let's get started. You open your browser, that is Google Chrome, preferably, because it is easy when you use Google Chrome. So when you open Google Chrome, you come over here, open the Google Apps, and then look for Drive. All right, so when I click on Drive, my Google Drive is opening. So now this is the Google Drive interface, like you can see, if we can call this a dashboard or something. Now, at the home tab, that's where you can see your folders and the files that you have just accessed easily, like that you have just accessed. Then you have my drive section, where you also have your folders and files in detail. So under computers, this one here, it's very important. You can sync your computer with Google Drive. Very, very important, such that you can back up your files. As you work from your computer automatically, Google Drive saves it. In case of any loss of your computer, the hard disk has crashed, you don't need to cry. Your work will be there. We shall go through all those steps and see how to do it. All right, so let's start by adding files. If you want to add a file to your drive, let's say you are at the home tab, you're going to click on new. Now you have to organize yourself. So if you need to create a folder, you click on create a new folder. If you want to upload a file, you upload a file, or you can even upload a folder from your PC. For example, I want to create a folder. Just click on create a folder and then rename your folder. Let's say my folder. For example, you can give it any name and then create. It will appear among your folders, just like you can see here. So you can open your folder and then start uploading files. Just you can either drag and drop your files, or you go to new and then say upload files, and then you pick your files. Let me upload this image, for example. When I upload it, you will see in just a few minutes it has finished uploading. So now my image has been backed up in my drive, so I can access it anywhere I go. Yes, also shared files. When someone shares a file with you, you get the files from here. Yes, and also if some items are deleted, you can go to the bin and recover them from there. Yes. Okay, that's it. Now next is I'm going to show you how to sync Google Drive with your how to sync Google Drive such that with your computer, such that it automatically saves. First of all, you have to download Google Drive desktop. Just go to Google and search Google Drive. Let's say desktop app, and you will be redirected to the download button. You click on download and install your Google Drive. It's about 305 MBs. When you click, your download will begin. You wait for it to complete and then you proceed. All right, so I'm going to open it. I already have one inside, so I'm going to open my drive. When you open your Google Drive, the desktop app, this is how it appears. All right, so next is you're going to add your email. So I'm going to come over here and add an account. So I'm going to add this very account. I'll sign in. Yes, now I've successfully signed in into the Google Drive. When I check, it's loading. So after loading, we shall proceed. All right. Our Google Drive is done. So you're going to go to the account. So we need this one. Yeah. Okay. So this is my account now. How do we add files to the account? Okay. The account is loading. Let's just wait a little bit. All right. Our account has finished loading. So how do you sync files? You come to more options and you go to preferences. You don't need this. Okay, when you go to preferences and you add folder, you click and pick a folder from your PC. If you want to back up the whole drive, you still select it. If you want to back up a specific folder, you select it as well. All right, assuming we want to back up the drive C, we select and then we click on done. So let us do that again. Let's select specific files from here. Let's say I want to back up these files with photos. I will select it and then click done. So these files automatically will be synced to my drive. So whenever I add something in this folder from my PC, automatically it will be synchronized or synced in or to my drive. Click on save. So you keep on adding the folders that you want to back up. Yes. Next, you see now it's the files are uploading. Now let's go to our Google Drive via the browser and check. Now when you click on computers, you will see that the laptop has been added. Your computer has been added. You can rename it. So you can have your account in different machines that you use, and also make sure you sync or synchronize your work. If you want to extend the storage, you can also extend the storage by purchasing some packages from Google and extend your storage as well. Yes, basically that is how we can use Google Drive. It is very clear and very direct. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. Let's meet again in the next video.